this video, I'm gonna show you how I created these beautiful wooden engravings. Let's get started. I of course started with the design. I use Blender for this since I use Blender all the time, but there are a lot of different software you could use for this. You could even maybe just draw it on a piece of paper and scan it. All you need is a clear black and white image. If you like these two designs I made, there will be a link in the description to where you can download them for free. Now that I've got the image I want to engrave, I can start converting this image to G-code with Inkscape. I start by adjusting my document size to the size I want to engrave the image in. Then I imported the image. With the image selected, I went to Path, Trace Bitmap and clicked on Apply. Now I have two files, one bitmap and one image. I deleted the image and scaled the bitmap to fit the document size. I went to Path and clicked Dynamic Offset. Then I went to Extensions, G-code Tools, Tools Library and clicked Apply. I moved it out of the way and set diameter to 2 instead of 10. Then I went back to Extensions, G-code Tools and clicked on Orientation Points. And without changing anything, I just clicked Apply. Now for the last step, I once again went to Extensions, G-code Tools and clicked on Path to G-code. Here I went to Preferences and changed the file name and directory. It's important that you end the name with .ncc. With all of that done, I clicked on Apply and opened GRBL Control. In GRBL Control, I clicked on File, Open and selected the G-code file I just created. Now it's time to set up the CNC machine. I used 4 clamps to attach a painted piece of wood securely to the CNC. I connected the CNC to power and my PC and adjusted the location of the drill to the bottom left corner of where I wanted it to engrave. Then finally I clicked on 0xy and 0z and clicked Run. Once the engraving was done, I removed it from the CNC and cut out the rough shape. Unfortunately, I didn't have a saw, so I had to use a hacksaw. Then I rounded it off with some sandpaper. and spray painted the other side blue too. Finally, I simply used a drill to make a hole where the CNC had marked. As you can see, I made two. The second one has a little more detail since the lines are thinner, but I still really like the turtle. Once again, you can download both designs for free in the description, and as always, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and consider subscribing, I'd really appreciate it.